So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an awesome auto scroll cursor for your CSS project. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser app. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for webcode.tools. You can see the right URL if I pronounce it wrong, and it's webcode.tools. And when you scroll down, you're gonna find this option which says CSS generator. Just simply tap over there, and when you scroll down in this option of miscellaneous, you're going to find this option which is cursor. Just simply tap over there, and here on this option of value, just simply click on this option and select the auto scroll button if you find it. Now here you're going to see it's currently set on move, and once I click on this option of auto scroll, let me just find it very quickly. Of auto scroll, you're gonna see here it is all scroll. Just simply click over there, and here you can see while you hover here you're gonna find the cursor. You can directly copy the code from here and use it over your CSS projects. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.